welcome back to my channel. I am Brittney Milove and this is my love of life. So today's video I will be going over 6 tips to get your laundry room in order. How I keep my own laundry room organized. I will do a deep clean. I did let it get a little out of control, so you guys will come with me to see me deep clean, organize, and get my laundry room back functional. And I also go over tips and tricks that you guys can do at home to make sure you keep your space organized and functional for the next time you do laundry, which will probably be in another 30 minutes. All right, family, stay tuned. Being from the Bay Area, you know laundry rooms are short to come by, especially being renter. It's just not common here to find a home, or apartment, however, that you have a laundry room, 1. And 2, one that works. And it's just one of those things being from the Bay. I'm very happy that I did come across a place with a laundry room and a washer and a dryer. And it's a long story to that because I had to replace both. No matter what it is or where you do take care of your clothing, make sure you have a designated area for it, whether it be a corner in a bedroom or however. Just make sure that you're taking care of your clothing and you have a proper space to do so. Okay guys, step 1, take out the trash. Please take your trash out, whether it be broken hangers, empty laundry detergent bottles, stuff like that. Just get rid of it, get rid of the clutter. Make sure you are cleaning out your dryer lint every time you actually do your laundry or you dry your clothes, because people don't know that actually causes fires. And do not forget to clean the back of your appliances. I did not do that. I don't think I've cleaned behind mine since we actually moved in, and that was almost 2 years ago. And the craziest thing, we just did it, and I bought one of those dryers that are pretty tall, and I almost freaking fell behind the dryer trying to clean back there. So just definitely clean back there. Please keep it clean, because that is also another fire hazard. But yeah, so taking out the trash is definitely the best place to start. You know those little bathroom trash cans? I bought one for my laundry room so I don't have to keep taking trash through the hallway to the trash can. Or definitely I recommend putting one of those cute little trash cans in there to make it easier to take out the trash. Out of date laundry products, make sure you're checking your stuff, and if you buy things and you're like, I don't really use it as often, just get rid of it. KONMARI that laundry detergent, or give it away. I mean, a lot of people, especially these days, they don't want to leave their homes for basic items, and if you have excess of certain things, hop on Facebook groups or communicate with your family and see if they can use those things. Step number 2 would be to declutter your space. Oh my goodness, I don't know how much this applies to you, but it applied to me. So all those extra library books and garden tools and random items that just accumulate in your space, just get them out of there. Take them to where they belong. Clear out that space. Make sure that you are focused on getting it functional for you to do your laundry. I'm laughing because I'm talking about myself. I do want to mention that I'm only cleaning and organizing in this video. I will have a decorating video coming really soon. Okay guys, so step 3 would be to consolidate laundry products. Yeah, it kind of goes in with decluttering the space, getting rid of certain things, but to really consider, do you actually use it? How well does the product really work? Or think about just getting products that work for multiple, fabrics and stuff like that. For example, I like to put vinegar in my laundry. I know it sounds weird, but I have a video coming out about tips and tricks to make your laundry last fresher and stuff like that. But I really do. I put vinegar in my laundry, acting as like a fabric softener. I do use fabric softeners because I like the way they smell, but as far as like actual softness and getting the job done, I use vinegar, dude, old school. Okay, this is a big one. So if you guys do transfer your laundry products to different containers, like to glassware or however, please label them, and also make sure they're like, you don't have to, this is optional, but I prefer like the clear ones. I've seen some cute inspirations with laundry room inspiration, and I think it was really convenient and pretty. She put all her fabric softener in these glass bases and her laundry detergent. It was just adorable. But if you have the time and the coin to do so, just do it. I mean, it looks really cute. I didn't do it this time around because, you know, I'm on a save money venture. We have a lot of trips still coming up. So I wanted to do my laundry room on a budget, so I kept it in those fugly in those ugly containers still, just because I just didn't want to spend the money for excess. But you can do it cheaply. I've seen Do It on a Dime. She did her laundry room with all dollar store products. So step 4, to me, it's optional because I'm not the type to really line dry my clothes or do anything like that. I know it sounds horrible, but I'd rather take our items that really do need some extra care to the dry cleaners. Like, I really do. And like our work uniform, especially Breeze, she likes them ironed a certain way, and clearly I don't have time for that. So we'll just take it to the cleaners. But step 4 is to make a line and folding space. So if you are the type of person that does that and you don't want to leave your clothes outside the old school way, I suggest like kind of making your own line inside your laundry room if you have the space. I mean, this is all optional. I've seen a bunch of different ways, which I'll insert, people customizing their laundry area to fit their needs, and I thought that was a really bomb idea. Also, an ironing board space. If you iron in your laundry room, you can get one of those pull down ironing boards, or you can do like how I kind of did in my laundry room. I put down an old fabric shower curtain. I know it sounds hella ghetto, but I really did, and it looks nice to me. And I usually fold my laundry in my bedroom, and that's where the problem starts, because I start folding, and then I get bored, and then I throw it all back in the bin or wherever, and I don't get to it until like a day or two later. Then I'm like, dang, where all this laundry come from? Because I didn't do it correctly. So what I did is I put down that sheet, so I kind of forced myself to fold and put stuff away from that section. I'll get to it later on too, if you have a lot of people in your home, and how you can get them to help out as well. Okay, y'all, step 5 is to create a space for everything. So I was so blessed as far as my laundry room goes. It's not the largest of the laundry rooms, but it is so functional. They have these built-in shelves. So I have two shelves, but it's not cabinets, which is okay for me, but it's pretty cool because I get to get all the products off the floor and onto a shelf, which is just so much more functional. And consider it also, if you have pets, if you have children, if you have disabled, you know, adults in your home, you don't want them to get to your products, I definitely recommend getting them off the floor and onto some kind of shelving unit or something like that. And this is somewhere also you can get creative. I mean, I've seen people put those cute little mason jars for like their clothespins and stuff like that. So take this time to really decorate. The bins that I used were from the dollar store. dollar store. We're gonna do this on a budget. So yeah, so I just used those. I put Louis extra potty pads in one. I put my extra towels, like my little rag towels that I just, you know, use for quick cleanups, put them in one of those. So use it as functional as you want. I actually got my the big white bins that I have in there. I got those from IKEA. And at the time, I believe they were like $4 a piece or something like that. Really, really inexpensive. And you can just make use of what you have. I mean, it's your laundry room and you want to make it functional for you. And last but not least is step 6, sort everything out. So this is what I was talking about as far as making it easier for you on laundry day, especially if you have more than just yourself in the home, is to purchase laundry hampers for as many people as you have in your home. So keep one in the bathroom, keep one in the kids' closets. However, I think that works so well, because when you're done, you know, let's say you get your stuff out the dryer, you can start divvying up, you know what I mean? This is for your wife, this is for your husband, this is for the kid, like whatever it is. And that way that person is responsible for their own laundry. That's the goal, right? But I mean, if that doesn't work for you and you are really the sole responsible person of your laundry, please break it up. just break it up. I'm gonna say it like that because that's what I had to tell myself. You are not pressured, you are not forced to do laundry all in one setting, one sitting, one day. However, break it up throughout the week. What I like to do is get the basket system, even though it's just me and Brianna and our dog. I like to separate our clothes by the importance. So like our uniforms, that's important. We need to wear uniforms pretty much every day. Well, she does, not me right now. But yeah, we need them every day. So I like to keep a basket for important things, socks, underwear, stuff like that. I separate those as well by type and color. But for the most part, it keeps me on a schedule as far as making sure that she has the clothing that she needs or that I need throughout that period. Do not overwhelm yourself with laundry. It will always be here. But yeah, thank you guys so much for being here. I really appreciate it. I hope these tips helped you in some kind of way. And I hope you are motivated to tackle your laundry room or the designated area that you take care of your clothing. See you guys in the next one. Thank you for being here. Bye.